Hi! In front of me is Sony Xperia 1 and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications from chosen apps on this Sony. Firstly, go into Settings and click on Apps and Notifications. Then you need to choose Configure Notifications and scroll down. Then choose See All from last 7 days and select one of your apps, like Google Play Store. Now when I click on the switcher next to it, all notifications from Play Store are now blocked. If you wish to turn them back on, just click at the same switcher. You can also click on one of your apps and manage notifications by tapping on the switcher next to Allow Google Play Store notifications to turn them off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!